Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to unbox the KnitCrate membership, and it finally came. They had a little bit of a delay with sending them this month because they moved their headquarters, but it finally came. It looks like it's been loved everywhere, bashed. But I'm glad to see that they're back with the cardboard boxes, and I'm so excited about this month because it's the month before Christmas, and I have an idea of the yarn, but I don't know what color I'm gonna get. But what I know is that it has a little bit of sparkle, and we all love a little bit of sparkle in our lives, especially when we're knitting. Anyway, this is the membership KnitCrate. If you don't know what a KnitCrate is a yarn subscription. You pay a certain amount of money every month, and they send you this box with beautiful yarn inside, a pattern. Obviously, if you get an artisan KnitCrate or a sock artisan KnitCrate, you get an extra in it as well. In the usual membership, the one that I have, you get 2 skeins of yarn, loads of patterns, and some discount codes. But let's go ahead and look at the leaflet. And as we saw in the previous KnitCrate, this is the leaflet they send these days. It's for membership and sock membership. It has more patterns than the usual, so you're not just getting the pattern that you could use with your wool, you're getting extra patterns, and it comes like a little booklet, as you can see. And I'm just gonna go ahead and show you. This is what the wool might be. So did I get like a brownie or purple or blue? I don't know. I shall look inside right away. The theme for this month is Enchanted, and I'll just read to you what it says. Wander away from the everyday into an imaginative world loaded with color and illusion. This month's KnitCrate theme explores magic and mythology through a mesmerizing array of jewel-toned colorways and elegant patterns. Get ready to celebrate the sparkle in every stitch with this monthly glittery, magical feeling membership yarns. And let's see. The yarn this month is Uru yarn, and we've had this yarn before. We've sprinkled magic in our favorite superwash merino base with the 70% merino, 20% nylon, and 10% stellina. Stellina is the glitter. Each worsted strand is loaded with sparkle in 4 gemstones inspired shades, available in November. So we have wolves, roses, gilded, and twilight. And each skein retails for $24, and the membership KnitCrate usually has 2 skeins, and you pay $24.99. So it's amazing because you get 2 for the price of 1, and also loads of patterns. Let's look at the patterns for this month. We have a crochet pattern. That's what you get in a membership KnitCrate. You get a crochet pattern and a knitted pattern. This is the crochet pattern, I believe, and it's called, well, you read that, Fruit Ridge by Jen Doyer. And obviously you get the instructions, which I cannot show you. And the other pattern that we have, ooh, I like this. It's a hat, a cowl, and mittens, and it looks like it's got a slip stitch pattern, the same pattern on all of them. Let me just see that we get all the pattern. We get the pattern for, yeah, we get the pattern for mitts, And the cowl. Here's the cowl. And I think we get the pattern for the hat. Yep, we get the pattern for the hat. And there's the hat as well. So you get so many patterns in this leaflet and amazing yarn. Let's see what else we've got here. Yeah, that is all. Oh no, we also get a pattern for socks. No, we don't get the pattern for socks. We just get the... Due to some errors in this pattern, we've sent it back into technical editing before it could be printed. Rest assured the digital version will be made available in your downloads for the month. Okay, so you will get the pattern for the socks. It's going to be digital. It's not going to be in the booklet. But yeah, I'm excited, and I'm not sure what I'm going to make with my wool. Probably the hat, the cowl, and the mittens if I have enough wool, and I think I do. But let's go ahead. Da-da. Yes, I got the blue. Actually, is it the wolves? No, it's the twilight. Oh yes, there it is. Beautiful. So it's got like a dark and lighter blue tones and the sparkle. Can you see the sparkle? Oh yes. So the yarn is Uru yarn by KnitCrate, and we get 2 skeins, 70% superwash merino, 20% nylon, 10% stellina. It's worsted weight, 219 yards, 200 meters, 100 grams per skein. They recommend that you knit it with needle size US 7 to 9 or 4.5, 5.5. And you can machine wash it cold, you can tumble dry it low. I don't, I just hand wash if I can all my knits. But yeah, here it is. Beautiful. Beautiful yarn. I love it. I'm so glad I got the blue. I mean, I like purple as well. I'm not that keen on the brown though. So whichever one. That one's wolves. They look a bit alike. Maybe this is more like a greeny blue and this is more like a navy blue. But yeah, this is my KnitCrate for November, and I'm sorry it's late again. I feel like every time I film a KnitCrate unboxing I'm always late, but it's because they send it from America and it takes a while to get to UK. But I'll show you. Keep an eye on my Instagram or Facebook to see what I'm gonna make with these two. But I'm pretty sure I will make the hat, the cowl, and the mittens. That would be so nice, and maybe make it as a set, as a gift or something. But yeah, if you would like to get your own KnitCrate, you get 20% off with my code TEO20, and I'll link everything down below. It's amazing subscription. You get beautiful yarn, a lot of yarn for half of the price. So one skein is $24, but you pay $24.99 for all of this. So 2 skeins and loads of patterns. And especially, you get a 20% off code. It's even better. So go ahead, follow the link and get that, and share your knits or whatever you knit with your KnitCrate using the hashtag #UnravelYourKnitCrate. And you can follow them on Instagram and on Facebook and on Ravelry. And I have all the links down below. But thank you very much for watching. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.